They learn quick. Oh, he's going right for the mud.
He's good at figuring out how to get it stopped.
That right there is really icy, so it's hard to stop.
That's how it was when I was going. And that was my first time down, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to get this stopped or not. Oh, I didn't know your hands. Aren't your hands cold?
Daniel keeps saying his are hot too.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm hot.
Yeah.
I mean, so they very well maybe.
Yeah, it's.
They don't like us sledding over here, I guess.
We got them stirred up.